recap now on what we learned. So we learned a process of evaluating, identifying, and eliminating deviations in a plan. We learned the aim of straight line shift is to get the actual line as close to the straight planned line as possible. Straight line shift can be applied to any department within an organization that runs according to a plan or a process. To eliminate these deviations, you not only need to identify them, but understand what is causing them. And understand that, again, human errors are not the same as human factors. We need to drill down to that human factor level. So the 5 steps for straight line shift process that we went through was to create the open dialogue loop, record the human factors, address the human factors, keep a score of the human factors, and then show the improvement at the end. We learned about emotional value being a set of positive feelings, such as being happy and feeling good, and we learned how to measure that. Human factors can be broad, they can be sensitive, and aren't always clear, and can be personal. So obviously managed with discretion where they need to be managed with discretion.